Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Smoochum from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So we move over to the left side and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, we're going to work our way around towards the bottom of the eye, and back up towards the top. Now let's leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the circle, work our way down towards the same height as we have on the left, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to push the pupils in towards the inside. So on the left side we're going to draw an oval. Starting from the top, go down towards the bottom of the oval. Now I'm going to leave a little gap on the inside of the eye. Do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up. At the top of each pupil, I'm going to draw a circle for the highlight. Starting at the very top of the pupil, work our way around and then back up. And do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add a glare across the pupil. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a curve, going up towards the highlight and then back down. Now we're going to fill that center area in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to step down and draw another circle the same size as the eye for the mouth. Starting in the center, draw in that same size circle. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now we're going to move out and draw on the side of the head. It's almost like a large half circle. So from the top of the left eye, we're going to step out. We're going to curve out the head and curve in just below the mouth. Now we're going to work our way back up on the right side, right beside the eye. Now let's add in that hairline. From the top of the head, we're going to step out. We're going to draw a curve, coming down over that line and then in just above the eye. We'll do the same thing on the right. Starting above the eye on the right, curve out and then up. Let's add a notch. So it's a long upside down V, angling up and in. And then we'll come straight down on top of the eye. Now let's continue that curve coming in towards the center. We're going to leave a little space in the middle. Curve down and then in. Leave a gap. Continue over towards the right side. Let's add another upside down V. Starting from the left, we're going to go up and towards the center. And then back down on the right side. Now we're going to draw the top curve of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then down on the right side. We're going to leave a space along the top. Let's start out here. We're going to curve up and in. We're going to stop right about here. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Curving up and then in. Let's add some hair along the top. Starting from the left side, we're going to go out towards the left and then curve it up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then curving up. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction. We're going to come in and then bend that down. Let's add two more hairs along the top. Starting from this point, we're going to curve out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to pull this in and then down towards the center. Starting on the left, curve in and then down. Go up to the right side, right down towards the middle. Now let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the arms first. On the left side of the head, we're going to curve out and then down towards the tip of the hand. Let's line this up on the right, curve out and then down. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction in towards the body. Come in, and we're just going to pull that up. And we draw the top edge of the body. From the inside of the arm, we're going to step out. We draw a small half circle, coming down and then back up on the right side. Now let's draw in the lower part of the body. From this line, we're going to step out and again drawing a larger half circle, coming down towards the middle, and we'll curve this back up on the right side. On either side, we're going to add the feet. Starting on the left, we're going to draw almost like an angled oval, curving out, down. Now we're going to round out the foot, come in and pull that up underneath the body. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right. Lining up the outside, curve out, round out the foot, curve in, and then up. Now let's move back up and draw on the side of the hair. From this point, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right, curving out, and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to do a hard turn coming down and in behind the arm. Starting on the left, we'll come down, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Smoochum from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.